Hey y'all. So guess what? I chicken out. I'm chickening out for real. I just cannot. I'm having real bad anxiety over just my whole teeth situation, man. I just cannot. I was fine. I might have been fine. I don't know. I think I was fine that day a little bit, but then when I posted the video, then everybody was telling me different opinions, and I'm like, oh my god, everything started to get overwhelming. And then I was still fine after the video, but it was like as today got closer, and I started thinking about it, and I'm like, oh no, I cannot. It's like I cannot. Hold on, let me wait because at the same time I'm thinking like I can only afford to get a teeth done, one tooth at a time. So I'm gonna be left looking like who did it and why for a good little minute until I can come up with some more money to get the other one's done. So it's gonna be like, okay, we're gonna fix this one, then we're gonna move to this one, then we're gonna move to this one, then we're gonna move to girl, I cannot. If I could just afford to get it all at one time, then I probably would do it. I probably would still be scared, though. I probably still wouldn't do it. I don't know, girl. I don't know. I'm just scared, y'all. And at first I was like, I ain't scared. I done been through worse. I mean, I done got a whole chemotherapy and radiation. That's how I was feeling. I'm like, yeah, girl, I can do this. But then now I'm like, oh my God. I keep telling my husband, baby, I can't. Should I do it? What should I do? What should happen? And then it's like, okay, if I take all these goals out, just saying that is like hurtful because my gold teeth are what make me me. Not just being gold mouth to y'all, but it's just me outside of YouTube. That's just always who I've known. I ain't ready to know nobody else either. And it ain't even about that. I ain't scared of the procedure. Well, I am scared of the procedure. I'm scared of everything, girl. I don't know. I'm all mixed up, man. This was supposed to be a journey, okay? We just gonna postpone the journey for a little while, okay? Because your girl a real deal scared. I done been through a lot of things, and I thought I could handle this. I thought I could handle this, but I can't, y'all. I can't. I'm trying real hard, y'all. I'm cooking. I got some chicken wings in the oven right now, so that's what I'm doing and looking like. But anyway, I cannot. I got to get myself together. Somebody gonna have to tell me something good because from the comments I read, it was pretty much like, girl, you better not do it. But then a lot of people, y'all was saying, be strong. Then somebody said it causes cancer. I'm like, what? Come on now. Come on, man. Everything causes cancer. So, I am stuck between a rock and a hard place right now. I've been having headaches all day long, like for real. My appointment was scheduled to be Thursday, and I called up there and I'm like, lady, what should I do? I told her I was scared, and she was like, don't worry, we're gonna make sure you're satisfied and all of this stuff, But honey, my husband got some dental work done there, and his teeth are beautiful, but I'm still scared. They don't even know about gold teeth here like that in Alabama. I'm from Florida, so it's a difference. I know people will say, oh, we know about gold teeth. Yeah, I know about gold teeth, but I haven't seen a whole bunch of people, hardly nobody here with gold teeth, or a very select few, and I don't even know where I've seen them at. But in Florida, dang near everybody you pass by got gold teeth, so it's a different deal from where I'm from. So this is a whole different cultural thing with the gold teeth here, child. So it ain't even got nothing to do with the gold teeth. It's just the whole process of me. If I get white teeth, man, I want them to all match. I want my shades of white to match. But then the lady suggested today I should get them whitened before I get the crowns. And she said the whitening process was $400. Oh, don't go get the whitening strips from the store. And I read reviews on Amazon and the Walmart or whoever, and all the Chris whitening strips had good reviews. And a lot of people say they make your teeth sensitive and all of this stuff. Child, I'm confused, y'all, because the lady said if I get some crowns on my teeth that's white, and I don't get them the right shade of the white that I'm looking for later on down the line, I can't change them. I'm just stuck with the color that I got unless I pay for a whole nother new crown. And girl, it ain't even that serious. When I got the golds, it wasn't that serious. It's just gold is gold. I ain't have to worry about it matching because I know it was gonna match because it's gold. But these crowns, y'all don't understand. Do y'all understand? I'm scared to go get stuck because of the root canal. I got to get a hole stuck down in my tooth. Man, y'all, the root canal, my teeth don't even hurt. My teeth do not hurt, but they said I need a root canal, and they were like, do you have any pain? No, I don't feel nothing, but they said there's activity. So, listen. I'm all hyped up and thinking, yeah, we finna go on a good journey, y'all. But, I can't do it. I cannot. Not right now. Hold on. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Now, if I got a root canal, I done been had it for about a year or two or whatever. They told me about it, and it still is in the same shape that it was in. Now, I know I need to get some of these little raggedy gold fixed because they did it and stuff, and I know I need to get the ones in the back pulled before they fall out. So, I'm going to just probably wait another month or two so that I save up some more money so that way I won't have to space out my work, so far. I don't want to space it out. I don't want to get a tooth done this month. Then I got to wait the next month to get another tooth. And then a month after that to get another tooth. Because at this point right now, today, that's the situation that I'm in. And I don't want to look like, I don't want to have to, that's just like waiting on your hair to fall out from chemo. Just instead of cutting it, you just let it fall out. And that was drastic for me. Even though I didn't go completely bald, a lot of my hair was coming out in clumps, and that was devastating. I can't see that. I feel like that's the same feeling I'm gonna have with my teeth coming out one at a time. Do y'all understand what I'm saying? Am I overreacting? And honey, somebody tell me something. Hello, where you at? Cause girl, let me go check on my chicken. Y'all, it's stressed. Okay, so I'm cooking chicken wings for me and Scuba tonight. We in the dog, so. And y'all. Where is it? I don't know. Did it drop? Where is it? Hold on, let me find what I'm trying to show y'all. Okay, y'all, what I wanted to show you guys was this I got from Walmart. Listening and watching Chris and Pete eat all the time. I got some tiger sauce. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but I see her eat it all the time, and she swears it's so good. And I want to try it, y'all. I want to try it. Baby, turn the light on. So yeah, I want to try this tiger sauce. Ooh, screenshot. Not screenshot, but thumbnail. So yeah, y'all. I have a headache, like for real. I'm so stressed out that I had to take my hair loose and just put it in 2 ponytails and. Girl, I don't know. But as of right now, I'm gonna back down. Hey, look, man, who won't be able to put? Girl, I've been there putting white paper on my teeth, folding it around like the little children used to do with the cigarette paper to see how I would look with white teeth.
Well, I did.
I don't know, man. It's just like I want to be somebody different. It's like, man. I don't know, y'all. Oh my God. So yeah, finna cook this here rice. Let me try to cook this rice before the chicken get done. Then I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna cook this rice, y'all. I might be back. Okay, y'all. So I'm trying to cook this here rice. It say 1 cup of. What it is? 1 cup of rice. I don't know if that's a cup, but that's what be a cup to me when I be measuring stuff, y'all. And a cup and a half of water. Okay. Got that. Then it say it makes 3 cups. Serving size is four people, I guess. This ain't gonna be no 4 people, not huh? Okay. In a 2-quart microwave safe. Wait a minute, microwave. Hold on. Stove. In the saucepan, bring water to a boil and stir in the rice. I supposed to boil the shit. Too late. Wait. Boil the water first and then stir the rice. My bad. Add the rice. Too late. I done already added the rice. That's why I can't cook rice, cause every time I add the rice, I always throw the rice in there while throw the rice in there before it start boiling. So that's probably why my rice be messing up. That's why I can't cook. I ain't never been no professional at no rice, huh? What'd you say? White? I said rice. I been calling it rice all my life. Don't be trying to change me. Don't stop laughing. It ain't funny. My husband is picking at me talking about I'm supposed to say rice. Anybody still him? Hold on, I can't even see. Add a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of salt per cup of uncooked rice if desired. Okay, so add some salt. That's salt, child. I ain't got no glasses on now. Some salt. I ain't gonna put no butter. I'm just do salt. Okay. This pot gonna take forever to boil. This rice gonna be done for the water boil. Oh Lord, I was supposed to stir it in. It ain't gonna come out right. It ain't gonna come out right. So whatever. I'm gonna try it anyway. But yeah, y'all. So cooking red rice. Jasmine rice. I heard it was a good rice, but I don't know. I don't know nothing about no rice like this. I cook the rice that be in a bag, and they cook in 7 minutes. That's what I cook, on a minute rice. And this thing got an easy post spot, but some kind of way I done tore that up. Easy post spot, so it open like this. Like a little milk carton at the elementary school, at whatever school. So yeah, y'all, I ain't coming to hold y'all too long. I'm finna go ahead and go so I can finish my meal. So I can man, I need to meditate for real. Oh, that stressed me out. I was good though. I don't know what happened. I think I wasn't good, but I pretended to be good maybe, and then now I'm just like stressed out to the max. Like to the point that I was trying to make bunnies today and I couldn't even get the sewing machine to come on for real. So y'all bear with me. It's gonna happen though, maybe. Ooh, I don't know. Some days I want it done, and then next days I don't. I ain't talking about the actual work that needs to be done, like the root canal. I want that done, but somebody pray for me, y'all. I'm all discombobulated. Let's check on this chicken, y'all. Hold on. And put my glasses back on like a grandma. Let chicken see me. I know y'all probably gonna want to see the chicken. What this chicken doing? Okay, chicken. That's how I flip my chicken over when y'all ain't looking. Damn, that's good enough. When I be making a cooking video, I be trying to flip the little one wing over at a time. Share, please. So my rice boiling now. So it say stir in the rice, cover, reduce heat, and simmer for 15 minutes or until all water is absorbed. So cover and reduce the heat. I don't think I need to cover and reduce heat. 15 minutes. This rice gonna be done in 15 minutes. Okay. All right, y'all. So I am going to end this video here. Oh, look at the girls. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video right here. Maybe. But you got something to say on the video? You don't want to be on camera? Okay. Not today. Okay. Scuba say he'll holler at y'all later. Bye.